Do you ever wonder if this low energy is just what life feels like now, or if something is actually wrong? You're doing everything, showing up for your kids, you're handling work, you're pushing through, but your body feels slower. Recovery feels harder. And you don't quite feel like yourself anymore. Today, we're talking to those busy, high achieving parents who are holding everything together, but they're quietly running on fumes. So, this isn't about age and it's not about motivation. Today, we're going to break down 3 plant based superfoods to allow us to get our energy back and stop running on fumes. That way, our home, our health can thrive.
Yeah. It doesn't just repair doesn't just stop because of age. It stops because our body's overloaded and it's inflamed.
Inflammation can chronically cause a lot of fatigue. And I think a lot of times when they feel fatigue, you start eating just to feel full.
Right, because you're not getting the nutrients you need. So you don't get the support cellularly, the cellular support you need for repair and recovery. So let's talk about the food that most people barely even touch.
Yeah, these foods, we came up with a list of 3. We have a bonus one. So make sure you stay to the end for the bonus one because it may literally blow you away. It's true. It blows us away every single time we eat them from our little one. But okay. But I think number 1 on our list are wild blueberries.
Yes, so good. Extremely high in antioxidants, and they help reduce oxidative stress. That slows healing, right?
100%, yeah. So blueberries are great antioxidants, and antioxidants are the things that make your cells just kind of age quicker than they need to, make you look a little bit older, and cause chronically
Right.
diseases.
Right, right, from inflammation, right. So this blueberries, it helps support brain recovery, immune health, gut lining, all that good stuff. And blueberries are very affordable, especially wild blueberries. They're very affordable. You can buy them fresh or frozen. I like to buy them frozen because we can buy it all year round versus
Oh,
fresh. You could only buy it in season, and it becomes more affordable when it's in season.
because season's what, like spring or that summer?
I want to say it's in like late spring.
Like
It's
spring. Yeah, because I remember we went to Maine, which are known for their blueberries. I know we indulged a little bit, but being I was there for a good amount of time, I should have capitalized on the fact that they're known for their blueberries and have a lot more of them because blueberries are fantastic on oatmeal, on granola, homemade granola. Just even pop it in your mouth, even frozen, like a frozen
frozen.
snack is
Right.
great.
It is, yes. It's like I said, it's very affordable when it's frozen. I highly implore you to look at the organic variety because they're heavily sprayed. Wild blueberries should not be sprayed because they're grown in the wild. Just
Yeah, that's a
saying.
good point.
So, uh,
Yeah.
you go for one or the other, the organic or the wild blueberries. And frozen, they're more affordable. You can find them in average grocery stores, Walmart, Targets, and those type of places.
Easy available, and they really fight off the damage, and they really give your body a sense of permission to just heal and repair,
Yes, you can
right?
put it in so many things. You can bake with it. You can put
Yeah,
it in
they're
salads
so
and
good.
cereals, anything. It's so easy.
Number 2,
Number 2.
sweet potatoes. So, yeah, potatoes are good, but we're calling sweet potatoes in this
Yes.
one.
Yes. Particularly sweet potatoes because they a slow, steady energy food, right?
They really are. Yeah, they're versatile.
Yes. So they're easy to find in the stores. A lot of these foods are easy to find in the stores and they're very affordable.
Yeah, when you think when you got me thinking, when you say, no, like, stable energy, I mean, they like, all the fiber, all the nutrients, those 2 things together allow you to stay full longer, get the nutrients that you truly need, and we'll call it the carbohydrates that are regulated by the fiber, the vegetable itself, the power behind it all to keep you steady all day long, right?
Hmm.
And that's not gonna be overnight, but
Right.
you're gonna get there.
Right. Right. High in potassium, which is
Very high in
needed.
potassium, which is great for recovery and hydration.
It's rich in beta carotene, right?
Yes, no, great for tissue repair.
Mhm, mhm, and it's very versatile and family friendly, and how I like to prepare it, is, we like to do loaded baked sweet potato. I tell you, I swear to you, you just add that with a cheese sauce, which I have a great recipe. If you're interested, let me know. I'd be more than
A
happy to
vegetable cheese sauce
a
made out of
vegetable-based cheese sauce,
cashews.
yes.
It's
Uh,
great. Oh my
it's
god.
so easy and it's delicious. And we pair it with beans and a vegetable and make a loaded potato.
It's
It's
filling,
extremely filling and it keeps you satiated for a long
it's
time.
satisfying, you feel good.
Yes,
And when I say feeling, it's not because you, like, you wanna go take a nap, you just feel like, "You know what?
you're
Oh,
good.
I'm content. Yeah, I'm
Right.
really, really good."
There's that. Then obviously you can air fry it to make fries. You can
Yeah, air fry,
put it in
great. Oh, yeah.
stews and soups. You can make
Burritos,
burritos with it. You can make
salads.
so you put it in salads. You could even put it in brownies and pies.
Whoa. Yeah.
So it's so versatile and again, it's affordable. So and you can find it anywhere and you don't need to load it
Man.
down with sugar for it to taste good.
Yeah, man, that is good. That's why you're the food queen, 'cause it's really it's not a food problem itself. It just there's you gotta be creative of how you can use these
Yes.
foods. Because people think, "Oh, sweet potato. Oh, I hate sweet potatoes." No, 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 no. Incorporate sweet potatoes into your current meal.
Yes.
And yeah, it's a carb, but the carb is not the problem. It's the carb quality that is a
Right.
problem. And sweet potatoes are the best carbs, some of the best carbs you can
Yes.
get.
Yes, you can even put it in a burrito bowl.
Oh
There's
man, it's so
so
good.
many ways to eat it.
Man, that is fantastic. Number 3 would be deep Number 3 would be dark leafy greens.
So that would be like your spinaches, your arugula, your Swiss chard, your kale, uh, those type of things, green leaf lettuce, those type of things.
Yeah, which are all good. I love them all, and I got used to it, but when you think about what's included in those, like all the magnesium, helps your muscles,
Hmm.
recovery, your nerves, and magnesium's a really, really important nutrient.
Yes, it also has folate, right?
Helps
Mm.
your cells repair, turn over, get the bad cells out, rejuvenate, yeah.
Chlorophyll, it has that in
Detox.
there, right?
Yep.
All these things are good for inflammation, which cleans it out.
Powerful, powerful. The thing so if I were to ask you, well, I know you know the answer, but if I were to ask you if inflammation bad, people have been convinced, saying, "Oh my gosh, inflammation is terrible. I don't want inflammation." Well, that's not true. That's half true, and that's the problem I see with all these people talking out there. Inflammation is actually a great thing
Right.
when it happens quickly because if you get exposed to a pathogen or a virus or a bacteria or
A
you get
cut.
cut, you want that inflammation to happen. And I heard some stupid, maybe nice, a guy who's well known out there saying how the immune system is not located in the gut.
Mm.
Okay, but he's actually saying partial truth, but he's not telling the whole truth. 70% of the immune system is around the gut area. He's claiming it's all in the blood. Well, okay,
Some of it is,
it's in the
yeah.
blood. Well, you're right. Because if I have anything happening in my body, one of the main channels of transit is through the blood. So he's not telling a lie, but he's not telling the whole truth.
True, yeah.
And so if I have less inflammation really quick, I want to be able to respond and kill real quickly. But now I have a lot of inflammation all in my blood, like you would say,
Everywhere.
or everywhere in my gut, then becomes chronically.
Right. Long
That's
term.
when your body starts when you get sick, a lot of energy is expended, right? If I'm chronically inflamed, I'm using so much energy to try to kill myself. That's
Hmm.
why you want to get rid of the inflammation, chronically speaking. Have enough energy, prevent yourself from being inflamed all the time. That way, when you do get inflamed, it's quick, you heal, you can move on.
Yeah, that's when your body, if it's not building back up faster because of all that inflammation, you have disease, right?
Yeah,
So,
I mean, and also, here's the thing: when you eat like these superfoods, then you get to heal quickly, and you can't rebuild a body without if you're depleted in minerals, you can't rebuild your body.
right. And some of the ways I like to utilize these leafy greens, definitely in smoothies, because I have children and I want to get it into them. And that's one of the ways I get it into them. I also put it in salads. We have a raw salad every night along with our meal. Obviously, you can cook it, you can put it in soups and stews. They're great ways to eat it. So you don't just have to just cook it in a pot and think it's going to be boring. You can add things to it besides butter, margarine, oil, or even animal fat to make greens taste good.
Yeah,
There's different ways.
be creative again.
Yes.
Yeah, so true. All right, let's do the bonus one because this really will blow you away. And that's beans and lentils. You gotta be careful, you get blown away on that one. But beans are so great.
They feed the gut bacteria that help regulate inflammation.
The immune system in the guts, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
It also provides protein, adequate protein, right?
Protein and carbs, the
Yeah,
good carbs,
right.
quality.
Yes. So Dr. Furman always say that some people complain that they cannot eat beans because it makes them gassy. Well, it's because your body's not used to consuming those beans. And some of the ways, tips and tricks you do is either soak your beans for overnight to help reduce that, right? Cook your beans very well and even start small. You don't have to, if you're not used to eating it or afraid of it, you can start very small. Have a tablespoon or two of beans and work your way up into your diet.
Yeah, again, be creative, start slow. It's about progress over perfection. You can't conquer Rome overnight,
Yes.
and yeah, and I think the beans are something that's completely under-eaten by adults and they don't respect them. Because if you're consistently tired, if you start switching to these superfoods, especially beans, oh my gosh, you're gonna start feeling a lot better.
Yeah.
And then the thing is like that well-known guy, man, I don't think he's even a doctor. He might be a doctor, but again, that don't mean anything anyway. Is that the gut health isn't trendy. It's not some kind of fad. It's not some kind of thing, but it's really a foundational way of
Yes.
living in a healthy way.
Yes. And eating a little bit of beans every day will, it not only feeds the gut bacteria, but it also gives you the protein. It also slows the aging. And some of the ways we eat it, the Instapot is your best friend, or slow cooker is your best friend when it comes to beans.
Yeah.
It's more affordable to buy them dried versus in the can. Um, Especially if you have a family, you want them to eat it, do it in the Instapot, it comes out way better.
Yep.
Especially in the slow cooker, it comes out very creamy and way tastier. There's so many recipes online to utilize the beans. You could put them in salads, you could put them in a burrito, you can put them in on the side of a meal. There's so many different ways to eat it.
It's about being creative and becoming the person that you need to be in order to be creative, in order to cook like this at home,
Yes.
and to because at the end of the day, you can't have health without becoming the person who deserves the health that you want.
Right.
You're the person. Well, I can't say that you're the person. I was a person who was living unhealthy. I had no health. I decided to become a healthier person, do the things that healthy people do, and I got my health.
Right.
And I can honestly say, and this ain't bragging, but 50 years old, I don't think I look 50 compared to a lot of people who I know who are 50 or even 45 or below.
Right.
I think that the overall is this, is that your body isn't broken. It's been stuck in like defense mode. I live there. I've been there. You've been there. We've done that. And these superfoods, the four of them, will help you restore and repair your body and put it in an environment where it can repair.
Nicely put.
Thank you.
Uh, well, if you like what you're hearing, subscribe and follow along with us as we have more conversations like this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Anything else?
No.
Until next time, be well.
All right. Take care.